Hello, lovely people.
Hi.
This is Yogi Parker.
I am.
We had a bit of a hiatus, and
It's been like forever.
and
I miss cheese.
well, we didn't have a hiatus from cheese. We just had a hiatus
It felt like
from.
a hiatus from cheese because we
just,
get all the cool cheeses when we do cheese of the week.
Yeah, we had a hiatus from cool cheese. But the reason I'm introducing you to Yogi here again is because there's now 80 pounds less of Yogi than there was last time we did cheese of the week.
Yeah, because apparently we couldn't find any cheese. Just kidding.
Yeah, just kidding. Yeah, he was still eating cheese. The cheese had nothing to do with the fact that there's 80 pounds less of him, but there is 80 pounds less of him. So if you're thinking that maybe I went and got a new cheese buddy, no, it's still Yogi.
She's put out classifieds though. I've seen them. She specified people that can remember the day of the week.
What day is it?
Cheese of the week day. Thursday?
Thursday! And
It's Wednesday.
in a rare
She had a cheese emergency.
in a rare, I don't even know.
It was a drastic cheese emergency, and we went ahead and
Opened the cheese. Anyway,
opened
so
the cheese.
and this is that was Buster. Come back, Buster. So this is Mr. Buttersworth. He is our newest baby, but that was actually 8 months ago. So he's 10 months old now.
he's a tag.
His name is Mr. Buttersworth, and he's known as Buster. Hi.
And he wants to go.
I love Buster. Okay, so anyway, we have been doing this thing called the hashtag Sunday Drive. And on one of our Sunday drives, we went to a little place called Grafton, which is in Vermont. And Grafton is famous for Grafton Village cheese. It's traditional English style. And this particular one, we bought lots of Grafton cheese, but this particular one is sage cheddar cheese. And I love sage. I mean, I'm a big sage fan. And
She is.
and I couldn't wait. I'm sorry, but I couldn't wait, and so I opened and I know you're all gonna miss watching me trying to get in the cheese packet. Anyway, the cheese packet didn't fare well. I won, and so anyway, it's seasoned with ground sage and sage oil, superb as a table cheese or as an addition to poultry dishes. And it contains unpasteurized milk, salt cultures, ground sage, enzymes, and sage oil, made in Grafton Village, Vermont, which is, incidentally, one of the top 10 prettiest fall villages in Vermont, and we can attest to its prettiness.
It was pretty.
Anyway, handmade in Vermont, with milk from Vermont family farms. And it is cheese on a mission. As part of the Wyndham Foundation, we work to support Vermont's rural communities. You directly support that mission when you purchase Grafton Village cheese. Go us!
Woohoo! We supported a mission.
Also, when we bought the sage when we bought the cheese, we found this really cool cheese knife.
Yeah.
We know it's a cheese knife because it says cheese and it has pokey things.
Which I'm a little nervous about.
So that I don't have to touch his cheese now. I can slice and...
Stab me with it.
Yeah. Okay, would you like some cheese?
Yes, and minus pokey
Look,
things.
this is how the pokey thing works, you see? Look at that.
Thank you.
A perfectly pokey thing. Oops. Didn't poke that very well, did I?
That is definitely sagey.
It's delicious.
It is. I feel like my whole mouth got cheese smudged.
Cheese smudged.
It's like cheese that gets the demons away.
It's very, very, very. It's odd because it's crumbly, but it's also creamy at the same time.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know how that's a thing, but it is.
Yeah. Maybe because it's cold, I don't know. But it's definitely tasty.
Buster.
Yes, Buster. Buster wants cheese. Buster wants all the food.
Buster likes food. This is delicious.
It is. And
I could actually just like sit here and eat all the cheese.
yeah, but you know, it would really be awesome with like a nice breakfast casserole, some bacon and stuff with that sage cheese melted in. Like an egg bake or something like that.
Oh, here comes Buster.
And it's a repeat. You're in the Matrix. The cat just keeps going by. It's a glitch in the Matrix. Hi, Buster.
Okay, we love this Grafton
It is
Village
good.
cheese. Thank you so much. I know that because of the COVID, it wasn't open when we went. We got the cheese, but we couldn't go in the magical cheese factory. But we love you anyway.
Grafton people, if you watch this, when you do open up, we want to do a tour and do a cheese of the week tour of your place.
Yes,
it would
we
be
do.
awesome.
That would be awesome. I'm going to have some more cheese.
All right. You tasty?
I do like my pokey knife.
Yeah, I bet you do.
Okay.
By the way, if there's a sound effect in the background that you're getting, which is kind of a bubbly popping thing, I'm frying her some chicken. So that's what that is.
He makes the best fried chicken. The best. And you know I don't say that about a lot.
I'm
the
a
best
country-
fried chicken.
I'm a country boy.
Best fried chicken. Okay. Sage Cheddar from Grafton Village Cheese Co. Go get yourself some. See ya.
See ya.